This is Pushpa. In this video, we are going to see the coordinate systems that are used in AutoCAD. So, first of all, what is mean by coordinate system? In geometry, a coordinate system is a system that uses one or more numbers or coordinates to uniquely determine the position of other geometric elements on a manifold such as a Euclidean space. And generally we will use four types of coordinate system in this. One is the absolute coordinate system, another is relative coordinate system, rectangular coordinate system, and polar coordinate. Now, what are these coordinates and what are the differences between these? So, I am going to explain all these in this video. Okay, first of all, see absolute coordinate system. So, in absolute coordinate system, we will measure all points from the origin. So let us take a rectangle command, a line command, first we have to take the rectangle command. So first specify first corner. Let us take it as 0, 0. Enter. So our origin is formed here, has been formed here. So next point will be 0. So another corner point. So I am providing 10, 8 xy. So this one will be our rectangle. Okay, this is called the absolute coordinate system. So let us take another example. Let us delete this one. Delete this one. So let us take a line. So first specify first point 0, 0. I'm explaining absolute coordinate system. 0, 0. Enter. So we have provided this. So let us on ortho. Click here. Now we have to specify the another corner point. I am drawing a rectangle. So let us take 0, 8. Enter. So we have drawn here. Let us draw another corner point. Okay. So I am taking this one. Y-axis is 8. Now we have to select the x-axis. So let us take it as 11, 8. Enter. So we have got this. So now we have to determine the another coordinate one. So that is x, y. So first x we don't know. X is 11. 11, y is 0. Enter. So now we have got this. So next another corner point we have to specify 0, 0. Enter. So we have formed a rectangle by using the absolute coordinate system, relative coordinate system. Name is showing that it's relative, means it will be relating by all previous number. So relative means what? Having the relation from one number to another. So based on the last point entered format is, for using at relative coordinate, first we have to type the @ first we have to type @x comma y. So this one will be the format for relative coordinate system. Okay, let us start. So, take a line command, enter, specify first corner 0 comma 0, enter, and now we have to give the value. So @, @0 comma which value, okay, 5, let us take 5, enter. So we have got this one 5. Okay, so now our x value is 5. @5, let us run off. @5 comma 4, enter. Sorry, let us take line again. So @0 comma 0, enter, escape, 0 enter, 0 comma 0, enter. Now we have to give the @0 comma, let us take 4, enter. Now we have to give the y coordinate, x and y coordinates as well. @5 comma, so we have given the coordinate as here. So now we have to do the deleting. Let us take another one line. 0 comma 0, enter, and 0 comma 5, enter, at 5 comma 5, enter. Why it is showing like this? So this one is the relative coordinate system. We will be using this format for this one. Now let us see the relative rectangle, this one, rectangular coordinate system. For this we have to consider the angle and distance both. So this format will be, let us take the multi-line at the rate length less than angle format. So this one will be our format for polar coordinate. We will be using this one. Polar means we will be consider the angle also. So first point will be